Good morning, students. Welcome back. My name is Deepak, and I'm a mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to learn about the topic that is measurement. We have already covered this topic in our live classes, and today we are going to have a quick revision beginning with the measurement of length. I hope you all know what is length, right? किसी भी चीज़ की लंबाई is length basically. ओके कितनी लंबी है कोई चीज़, कितनी छोटी है, कितनी शॉर्ट है, राइट वो सारी चीज़ हमारे लेंथ में आ जाती हैं. लेंथ, राइट. सो बिगनिंग विद द यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट यूनिट एंड द बेसिक वन जो सबके दिमाग में आ जाती है हल्के जो कि बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ भी होती है, दैट इज़ मीटर. ओके, मीटर is the basic and the smallest unit of not the smallest, is the standard unit of length. We talk about meter. Okay, after meter if we talk about, it is kilometer. As we all know that in 1 kilometer it is 1000 meters, right? In 1 kilometer it is 1000 meters. If we talk about a unit smaller than meters, it is centimeter, right? हम सभी को पता है यूनिट स्मॉलर देन मीटर इज सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट? हमको पता है इन 1 मीटर इट इज 100 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? नाउ अ यूनिट स्मॉलर देन सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज मिलीमीटर, राइट? इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मिलीमीटर, in 1 centimeter it is 10 millimeters, right? So we'll just write all these units in a small box, beginning with 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, right? Moving towards the second one, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, and 1 meter, if we talk about converting meter directly to millimeter, then 1 meter would be equal to 1000 millimeters. Okay, yeah. And if we talk about 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters, right? Let's begin with the conversions directly. Okay, we all know this thing, we have studied this thing thoroughly in our live classes, so we'll directly begin with the conversions. Okay, yeah. So let's express 3 kilometers in meters. We all know that in 1 kilometer it is 1000 meters. Therefore in 3 kilometers it will be 3 multiplied by 1000, which will give you 3000 meters. I hope this is very clear to everyone, right? Moving towards the second conversion, if we talk about converting meters into centimeter, okay, if we take 20 meters, you have to convert 20 meters into centimeters. Okay, now if we talk about converting meters into centimeters, we all know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? Therefore, as 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, therefore 20 meter would be equal to 20 multiplied by 100. Simple. So 20 multiplied by 100, we get 2. Here it is 1 0, second and third 0. So 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3. So 20 multiplied by 100 would be equal to 2000, and the unit will be, we are converting into centimeters, so the unit will be centimeters, right? So in this manner we convert meter into centimeter, kilometer into meter. Okay, now let's do one more example on solving centimeter to millimeter. Okay, now let's take an example of 22 centimeter. We have to convert this into millimeters, right? We all know that in 1 centimeter it is 10 meters. Therefore 22 centimeter would be equal to 22 multiplied by 10. This will be equal to 220 millimeters. यानी कि 220 millimeters will be the answer. Clear? चलिए. Now moving towards the second one, the second topic, that is the measurement of weight. If you talk about measurement of weight and capacity, both of them we can take simultaneously, but let's go one by one. Okay, beginning with measurement of weight. I hope you all know what is weight. Weight means वजन, like किसी भी चीज़, कोई चीज़ कितनी भारी है, the weight of something. Like if we talk about a weight of a ball, एक एवरेज अगर हम देखें एक बॉल का वेट कितना होता है, स्मॉल बॉल का, इट इज़ 50 to 100 grams, राइट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ बास्केट बॉल, देन इट वेज अराउंड हाफ अ kg, यानी कि 500 grams उसका वेट हो सकता है, राइट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अ वेट ऑफ अ ह्यूमन, like if I talk about my weight, it is 70 kgs. If I talk about your weight, it might be ranging between 25 to 35, isn't it? Yeah. So weight is कि किसका कितना weight होता है. It has basically two units. We all know, that is, one is kg and one is gram. Okay, milligram भी है, but we'll go on to that afterwards. Okay, kg, I mean, not kilometer, kg. Kg, in 1 kg it is 1000 grams, right? In 1 kg it is 1000 grams. If we talk about grams, in grams it is 1000 milligrams. यहाँ दोनों में 1000 का ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, 1000 ही हमारा कन्वर्टिंग फैक्टर होता है. ओके, कन्वर्टिंग फैक्टर मीन्स जिससे हम डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एक यूनिट से दूसरी यूनिट पर जाने के लिए. ओके, नाउ हियर 1000 इज द ओनली वन. सो व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम किलोग्राम टू ग्राम, वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. Let's do one example based on the same thing. Let's express 3 kilograms 500 grams into grams. Okay, now we all know that in जो grams में है वो तो grams में ही रहेगा. Okay, तो हम इसको ignore करेंगे as of now. We'll talk about 3 kilograms. Okay, so we all know 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Therefore 3 kg will be equal to 3 multiplied by 1000, that will give you 3000 grams. And we were already having 500 grams with us, right? So we'll add these 500 grams with this 3000. We'll add 500 over here. Okay, so we'll get 3500 grams. I hope this is clear to everyone, right? Now moving towards, by this thing the measurement of weight ends. इसमें और ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. It is very simple. You can solve check point number 2. Most of you have already solved, and I think all of you have solved it. Just go through this exercise once again. अगर कोई doubt आता है, you can ask me that doubt in our live classes. Okay, yeah. Now moving towards the measurement of capacity. Capacity means volume. Liquids के बारे में बात की जा रही है. In liquids it is very simple. We have two units, liter and milliliter. इन दोनों में ही आता है, and we should know that in 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1000 milliliter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, and 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. Okay, yeah. So we can get the questions in both ways. Milliliter to liter conversion भी आ सकता है, liter to milliliter भी conversion आ सकता है. Okay, so let's begin solving 2-3 examples based on the same thing. Let's express 4 liters into milliliters. We all know in 1 liter it is 1000 milliliters. Therefore in 4 liters it is going to be 4 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 4000 milliliters. Okay, now when we are taking in milliliters, let's take an example. It is, let's say, 32,000 milliliter. We have to convert this into liters. Okay, so we all know that 1000 milliliter will make 1 liter, right? So we'll divide this 32,000 by 1000. So when we divide this, as we all know, we'll cut these 3 zeros by 3 zeros and we'll get 32 over here. So this will give us 32 liters as our answer. Okay, so 32 liters will be the correct answer. So by this we end our measurement topic. I hope the concepts are very clear to everyone, right? If you all face any doubt, you can directly ask the same doubt in the live class and I'll clear those doubts. Hope you all learned in this video. Goodbye, have a great day ahead. Thank you.